Welcome back, guys. CryptoFly channel. Today we'd like to talk about a BOME USDT trading pair updates with my customer care set. Let's dive in, guys. Like you remember, we trade in this range. Yes, we came in to the lowest point and formed the actual lows, and it's kind of bad because we stop it. We stop it exactly at the same listing price on a max till penny. So here, the lowest point was 0.201151. Here, 0.201150. I can't say we grab liquidity because I don't know. It's that. It's not even a penny. It's not a liquidation of any position, even the 100x, right? So maybe it's 200x leverage liquidation. That's why. Now, guys, all eyes on Wednesday, because on Wednesday we will see, I guess on Wednesday, we'll see the Fed rate decision. Now, after that, the FOMC's meeting, speech, Jerome Powell, and all of this stuff. So, like usual, based on my experience, I can say if we will see Monday, Tuesday down, most likely on the Fed rate decision, we will see the V-shaped recovery move. It will be for us at the good moment, because for BTC, I'm waiting the best case scenario. I'm waiting the 75, 74K once again. So trust me, it will be much better than we will bounce and pump from this current prices to, I don't know, to 95K for BTC, and April come back again the first 2 weeks and waste the time to the new low. Better, of course, guys, finish the March red, close that monthly candle red, then just bounce, leave the huge week, and after that in April come back and sweep that 50% of the week or the liquidity. So I don't think so. This was a grab of liquidity, so it's not enough. Technically, it's not enough. And I can't even say it's a deviation. Of course, technically, it's like one number, right? So it's like a deviation, but personally for me, not. So I wish to see something like this one Monday, Tuesday. I don't know, based on what news. So the United States start some war, not a war, but some escalation in Yemen, right? We got a lot of protests in Europe Union right now, Serbia, in Hungary. So I think maybe we'll see something will happen. Maybe another trade wars, a trade decision of Trump for something in the world, right? We can't know. For Mexico, for Canada, for European Union, we can't know what the trigger will be. But I repeat, the best case scenario, guys, if we will see this move, right? Normal deviation, and after that, V-shaped move, maybe Wednesday, Tuesday, because if we'll see the sideways and going higher, it's going to be pretty bad, because we need to break it out, I guess, here, this level, and this move in April, we just waste the time. So let's be real, we just waste the time. Form the double bottom, form the new low. That's why, guys, of course, everything possible, and we have to be ready for any case scenario. I just share my wishes, what I would like to see rather. So next week, I would like to see the red one, but market absolutely doesn't care what I wish to see. Global targets, guys, absolutely personal for me, still the same. Yes, under listing price on the max, if we analyze on the max, because before, of course, the stock and trade on the DEXs. So we can see the move down, together with the Sol, because all hype for Sol now gone, and the meme sector like also going down. So dog with hats on the 45 cents. So I can't say something bullish, right? But believe it or not, when you see something like this one, so this is order flow, technically order flow. It's like we can say this channel. So over these, this is a liquidity pools, this liquidity pools, this liquidity pool, this liquidity pool. So at least if this is a range, we can test the equilibrium. Equilibrium is 0.5 level by fib. From lowest point, this one, it can be like 1000% gains. No, even more. Take a look, even more from the low. From the low, it will be 1200% gains. And yes, guys, it can be the end of move for BOME. This one, to grab this liquidity pool, maybe even this 38, this one. So 1500% gains. The best case scenario, guys, what I explained it for BOME, it's this one, 3000% gains. It's 27 block. And next step is 4 cents. 4 cents, all these targets realistic, possible, because imagine if the SOL will be again at new all-time high, all meme coins will fall. And people once again will stock in that tokens because people will wait some crazy gains, and people only realize when to into tokens when we'll be around here. Of course, people now, nobody want to accumulate the meme tokens because it's kind of like, for them, it's kind of risky because we need to build this uptrend structure. But guys, when we will build that or start build the uptrend structure, you know, there will be the problem with the gains. For example, from this entry to crazy new all-time high. So this one is like 3000%, 4000% gains. From this entry, when we're breaking out this local structure, is going to be only 300. And definitely the people who join here, they will complain about, no, 300, it's not enough. It's just the beginning. But at this area, at 4000% gains, it's going to be the end of cycle for the BOME. So my targets, the most positive, it's 3 cents 51, 377, 478. So this is a fib, relevant, still relevant. If this is a range and this is like a weekend form deviation, so the deviation at the top will be here over than 3 cents. But guys, we have to work with only possibilities, and definitely we can see the scenario of Starknet, for example, or Iowa. Definitely, why not? Of course we can. And only this is open space. I could say only the sky is the limit, but no. Only the bottom is a limit. And after one dip, we will see another dip. That's why, guys, my conservative price targets, I believe in new all-time high for SOL. That's why, guys, it's just my personal opinion. And by logic, if the SOL will hit the new all-time high again, right, the meme sector will follow. And the money will inflow into BOME, BONK, and other tokens. And I don't think so. This is end of cycle for all meme not all only meme tokens. For Jupiter, for example, do you believe this is how the bull run ends? It's not even a start for altcoins. That's why, guys, we can't know the time. We can't know the time, but the target's relevant. Take a look with my customer said what's going on now. We're forming the huge divergence. This divergence June 24, it was at 0.2063. Now we're again at the bottom here and form the 0.201150. This one of since February 10, we are in capitulation zone on a weekly time frame on the market mode on the max. So it's kind of good. So now, guys, only now is much better position to accumulate a BOME for speculation. I'm not a fan of BOME like a token. I'm not a fan of BONK. I'm not a fan of any of these meme coins. Even the utility tokens, all of them is just a pure speculation. But now, if we talk about risk rewards, now it's much better entry into these tokens. By the way, the weekly time frame, take a look. The end of January, beginning of February was a money inflow. So we can say the comfortable price for the whales is around 0.2016 and 0.2021. So this is 2 weeks in a row. I wish to see another week or 2 weeks money inflow, like confirmation for the BOME. Trade on. Yes, buy. and this week we got a signal to buy. But I repeat, I wish to see one more dip. It's not necessary, so we will see that dip. So take a look from that signals to buy. Let's say this one, we dump it up, we pump it like 57%, but after that we dump it 25. So it can be the same story. We can pump again to close full fill, for example, and after that drop it back on some news in the world. That's why, guys, technically I think everything okay for BOME. And keep in mind, we can't drop always down forever down, but build a plan. If you, for example, make a deal with yourself, I'm in now at 0.2014, so be ready, and it's a safety trade at 0.2028. Just withdraw initial deposit and leave free tokens. So here, around this weekly gap, you have to make a deal with yourself and take an action. Fix initial deposit. Include the chart, because we can't know in a moment, are we going higher and to this target, or we going on a sideline next year, one more year. So that's the point. So why we have to fix a profit and leave just the free tokens. Trade on, take profit, guys. We also on the fundamental value of this token, so it's good time to buy. We never trade so long on the fundamental value, so at least here, even from this current prices. I repeat, I wish to see one more dump, definitely, but here from this current prices to the on the daily time frame to the take profit line, it's 255%, 300%. It's the exit line. And you remember the meme sector, it's so easy to pump and dump, so easy. I wish to see also here the we dump it on the fundamental value, test the fundamental value, test the range between the buy line and the fundamental value. So I wish to see the fundamental value. It's we can add 1.0, for example, from this current prices. It can be like 30%. I don't know. I'm not sure about 30% down, but I wish to see at least the test of the buy line, 9% down Monday, Tuesday, and the best case scenario, of course, the normal grab of liquidity, form deviation at the bottom, 27%, and after that bounce higher in April to the main targets. First of all, local one. After that, the middle term targets, and maybe new all-time high. Of course, guys, keep in mind, it's just my personal idea about this token. If you